We're happy to launch VConnect app, and the app has been launched by Honorable Minister of Health, Dr. Lakshma Reddy Garu. And this basic app is enterprise-wide healthcare app, which integrates the patient data with the hospital enterprise application, with the diagnostics enterprise application, directly from the machine. The entire biochemistry machine data, which comes as you insert the sample in the biochemistry, automatic blood analyzer, will be pushed into the enterprise-wide application of the hospital. From there it gets onto the cloud and it's pushed into the mobile of the individual patient. So that kind of integration has been done. So if you take an MRI, it is there in the MRI machine, then it gets onto the PACS of the hospital, then it gets onto the healthcare app on the cloud, and then it's pushed into the mobile of the person. So that kind of integration has been done, so that the patient is not losing any data that has been acquired in his entire clinical life cycle. We have multiple features. We have a video consultation on that. So press a button, you are in the queue, and a host of doctors are there, and then you could be first in the queue, or that queue time is mentioned to you, and the call comes back and the video consultation is done, and the prescription, once the doctor writes that side, is coming to you back, and also the nearest pharmacy is located and the prescription is deposited there too, if you so wish. And then there is a My Family model, wherein you can not only look at yours but your entire family records, and the analytics, that is phase 2, which we are going to launch, because we want to capture data as a data, not as a PDF or a report as an image. So we can do some kind of tracking of how is your sugar doing over last 5 years, vis-a-vis as per your age, how are you performing, not only sure. So like that, we have about 12,000 different blood biomarkers that we can capture in our laboratory. So our idea is to give that kind of a personalized analytics and also medical information from the web, which is given to you, focused to your kind of ailment. If you have some kind of a specialized ailment, you are like an obese patient, or you have hypertension, and then only that specific thing is required. You don't have to, if you are a non-sugar obese, then it's a different situation than a sugar and obese. So that kind of a personalized patient information is also pushed on the mobile from the cloud. So this is a basic app which has been launched, and then we hope the usage is wide, and then people and patients and doctors and clinicians and clinics take benefit of it. So Virenchi is an IT company which is launched the hospital. So basically, as part of our strategy that in India we want to give business solutions, so we have gone into healthcare. So we want to bring the effectiveness of IT in healthcare. So we want actually, so the mobile app is a fundamental thing wherein the hospital healthcare system is integrated with the mobile completely, from the machine to the mobile. Machine to mobile is the model end. So we are trying to deliver the so-called right to science, right to data, right to medical data. My own data, I need to have all the data. So these are some of the objectives that we want to fulfill by using technology.